more pups. Robo-Dog!
Robo-Dog needs to drive.
Oh, this is how you open, how do you open it? This one. Oh, this is funny.
I bet you could fit the whole Paw Patrol back there.
Yes, as a
It looks pretty
puppy.
big. Today I am reviewing the Paw Patrol Air Patroller. This we got for a birthday gift for my 3-year-old. Usually retails for about $30-$35 come with a Robo-Dog. So this opens up and the Robo-Dog, his little feet can latch in there. So he'll stay put as long as the plane or helicopter, the air patroller stays oh, there we go. So if it stays level, he'll stay in. We have some other pups here. Our pups tend to get damaged pretty quickly because they go in the swimming pool, they go in the bathtub. Sometimes our real dog gets a hold of them. So let's see, there is room for a co-pilot. The way that the feet are shaped, only Robo-Dog can pilot the air patroller. And then there's another kind of a cargo section in the back here. There we go. Okay. Robo. Go all the way back there. Make room for your friends. Let's see. Marshall. Get back there, you clumsy pup. That's 2. We have a Rocky with a busted backpack. That's 3. They're all laying down. Let's see. What about another rebel? This one's been a victim of our real life pup. 4. I think that might be all I can get in. Let's see. Here's a Marshall that comes with the fire truck. 5. Will you close? Okay. So I was able to get 5 in there. And then let's take a look at these sounds. So whenever these rotate, whenever you rotate them, it makes a sound. So now it sounds like a helicopter. And it has the lights too. And now I'm gonna change it back to the airplane mode. Oh, it didn't make the sound. Let's see. Okay, so it makes a sound when you move it into the helicopter mode, and then when you push the button, it makes the helicopter sounds, and the lights are these. And then when you do the airplane mode, it doesn't make the sound for the change, but then when you push the buttons, it makes the airplane sounds. It does have wheels on the bottom. Nice smooth takeoff in airplane mode. My 3-year-old and 5-year-old really like this. I do wish there was a way to turn it off other than taking out the batteries, just because it is possible, like within the toy box, for the button to get hit or for these to rotate while rummaging for something else. Although we've had this toy for almost a week now, and it's their current favorite, so it doesn't really go back into the toy box at this moment. But that is the Paw Patrol Air Patroller with Robodog.